How to change plan in Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can change plan in Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now whether you're using on Android or iOS doesn't really matter, because we are not going to do from the app. We have to launch our browser and go to netflix.com. So just open up your Safari browser and go to netflix.com and sign into the account on which you want to change the plan. After you do that, tap the three lines option that you can find here from the top left, and then here you'll find the account option. Just go to that little account option there. Once you come to the account option, you're going to land on this page where you'll be able to see your current plan over here, which is my mobile plan. So if you want to change the plan, maybe upgrade or downgrade, you can just tap the change plan option, and as and when you do that, you'll be able to simply select any of the other plans that you like and tap on continue option, and then you'll be able to basically change your plan in Netflix in that way. This way you'll be able to change plan on Netflix. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.